When you do a search on the web for a case for Tello, you have a few options as you can see here, but I decided to purchase this one here, the AZMan Hard EVA case. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Look at what I got today from Amazon and look at the size of the Tello drone. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Well, by now you know because you saw my title description. This is it. Very simple packaging here, just a plastic bag as you can see inside the Amazon box. Wow. You know, it's always difficult when you buy some stuff on Amazon or eBay. You look at pictures and it's not the same, of course, as touching the stuff. So here you have a smooth finish, looks like a neoprene, and here it's more like a rough finish underneath. So this looks very nice. And if you look at the Tello here, it's exactly the size of the case. So that's amazing. Let's open this case here. And wow. And again, it's difficult to see on pictures, but the feeling of this here, it is very nice. And you have a pouch here to put your USB cable. So let's put our Tello over here, and there is a way to put it here. Yeah, it goes this way. It fits perfectly. And you have 4 compartments. You can put 4 batteries, or you could put a small USB cable over here. But as you can see, it fits perfectly. I'm showing this because even if you don't need to carry your Tello around, you still need to store it somewhere. And if you put it on a shelf, it's going to accumulate dust. If you have more than one battery, what do? You put the batteries on the side of it. Same with a USB cable, so you can store everything in one place. So for $20, highly recommended, guys. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon on my channel. Have a great day. Goodbye.